guys, it's me, Melanie from Ireland. Hi Leute, ich bin's, Melanie aus Irland. Ich habe mir heute was gegönnt. Ist mein Geburtstag, 10.10. Ja, ich bin jetzt super alt. Yeah, it's my birthday today, so I bought myself something. And it's that little handheld sewing machine from the TV. Yeah. I'm a victim of that. Ja. Ich bin also ein Opfer vom Telefon. Ja, mit diesen. Now, we're going to unbox that now and see. Did I get that? Yeah. And see how it works. Yeah, let's see. If I. Actually, they were from Lidl. Damn it. Lidl. They used to be like $19.99 and they have them on offer now for $12.99. So let's see. No, still haven't found out what is all the zooming and stuff. Sorry. Now we got a little manual in here. Now that's basically it. Easy Maxx. I have a big sewing machine, you know, a normal one, but I thought when we do all these lovely crafting projects, especially with the it has fabric in it. There you go. It's already pretty. Everything is ready made. You can just batteries. I forgot the batteries. Well, enjoy this. I'm gonna get some batteries. Takes me 2 minutes. Sorry. They're back. Oh dear Lord. I'm sorry, but I didn't want to pause it. Now we open that thing up here. 4. Gee. Thank God I'm long enough. Let's see. I think I need more light. There you go. So minus and plus. Plus. That's plus, I guess, and minus. Minus. There. Ta-da. Alrighty. I didn't read the menu. Maybe I should. Maybe I shouldn't. I don't know. How do you operate that thing? Let's have a look at. That seems a lock. That's a lock. Yeah. That's very flimsy up here. Doesn't work. I don't like reading menus, like everybody. Oh, that's, yeah. De la Corte, I don't know. Important Notices. Also mal gucken, ne? Ich krieg das irgendwie nicht hin. Vielleicht habe ich doch die Batterien verkehrt. Maybe the batteries are. Please note. Bla bla bla. Sewing. Ja, mal gucken. Nähen. Make sure that the thread is threaded correctly. Well, naja, man soll darauf achten, ob der Faden da auch wirklich drin ist. Also es sieht eigentlich ganz gut aus. It's threaded from the fabric, from the place where they made it, the factory. Also es ist ja eine Fabrik schon vorgemacht. I think I got the batteries wrong. This is kind of, oh, come on, I'm fed up already, you know. This has springs in here, as you can see. So normally you have the springs on this side. Normalerweise hat man ja die hier, und das sagt hier ganz eindeutig. Aha. Ist so schwer zu erkennen, wirklich. Guck dir das mal an. It's so hard to see in there. You can really. Well, that's minus. That's plus. It says. That's minus. And that's plus. No. Hey! Yay! Oh my goodness. I think this is... What are you doing with that? Look at this. It unthreads itself. Oh my god. What the hell? Oh, this is how you lift the arm. See that? Das macht man den Arm hoch. Also hier mache ich das mit diesen Drehdings. This is where you lift the arm. Or let it down. Still can't see the needle. And there's only one thread, which would actually be okay for card making. Let's see, I'm taking a bit of... How do you actually... get the needle up? There. And now it sinks again. What a piece of crap is that? You have to be really slowly. Okay, now it's lifted. And I guess you have to push that down here. Yeah, look on the box. It's down here. How do you get this down there? Oh, no, there you go. And it's going back. Oh my god. It's going, and then it's tearing off. I don't like this. Everything you've sewn, maybe I'm doing it totally wrong. That's not really helping, is it? Yeah, batteries in. This is on. This was all threaded by the... You don't have a back stitch. You don't really have a stitch which would take... leaves that in place, does it? I never had a machine like that, so I don't know. It's the first time ever. Only use battery type, blah blah blah. Make sure the thread is threaded correctly. Incorrect thread guidance may cause the yarn to tear, stitches to be missed, or the fabric to curl along the seam and cause any damage to the device. Do not leave the device on for more than 10 seconds without interruption. Take a break of about 5 seconds before turning it back on. The handled sewing machine fabrics with a straight stitch. Make sure the one-off switch 4, that thing, is in the 0 off position. Turn the hand wheel 7 to raise the needle in highest position. Lift the cloth clamp. Place the fabric to be processed between the cloth clamp and throat plate and lower the cloth clamp. The fabric is moved to the left when sewing. Move to the left? So you're supposed to hold that. Now it's on the highest position. See, there's nothing in between there. There's no... I'm going to put this piece of paper now in here, because I bought it actually there. For... Can't get it under the... Lift it. There, let's see. Damn it. It's so unusual. Normally when you sew, it goes there, right? Now let's go from the side. Now turn it up again. Sorry that tut mir echt leid hier, dass ich hier voll den Mist mache. What the hell? Also nochmal hoch. Highest position. Right, done. Now it goes this way, towards me. I'm gonna lift that a bit. This is BS. Now. Alright. Okay. Now, it's pretty loud, as we could hear. If this would help. Yeah, look, it kept going there with my... No. Oh, that's fine. That's actually pretty neat. Once you get the hang of it... Hey, guck mal. Man muss sich nur dran gewöhnen, dass das nicht nach so geht, nicht nach da lang, sondern nach da. You have to get used that it doesn't go this way because it's going that way. So you start... I normally start sewing from this end and go like this. But now you have to put it in this way, lift it up a bit when the needle is on the highest. I lift this up here, right? You can put your fabric underneath and then it goes this way instead of this way. So it's not bad. I mean, I only bought it because of my card making and stuff. So I don't have to put, I have a very little space here. As you can see, look, everything is so full. I was crafting a lot lately. So it's not enough space for sewing. I'm going to sew on the kitchen table. But I thought that might be nifty. And it's easy. You just put this, you can have like from your own sewing machine or something. Just use the bobbin threads and then... Also ich habe mir das Ding eigentlich nur gekauft, weil ich das nehmen wollte fürs Karten machen. Und es klappt. Man kann ja von seiner eigenen Nähmaschine oder so, oder man kann es ja aufspulen. It comes with 2 more needles. Here, 2 more needles. It comes with a spool holder. Why does it have a spool holder? Warum hat es ein... Es kommt also mit 2 Nadeln. I'm gonna take that out now. Es kommt mit einem Spulenhalter. Jetzt weiß ich aber nicht, wo kommt der blöde Spulenhalter rein. Huh. Maybe here. Maybe you can put, you know, if you don't want to use the small ones, but you want to use the big ones, you might put this in there. Also wenn man nicht diese kleinen Dinger hier nehmen will, sondern eine richtige Spule, eine große, kann man das, denke ich mal, hier reinmachen. Wäre jetzt logisch. Es kommt, it's in red, blue white. I think it was in black. There was a black one. Yeah, here's a black one. So it's pretty nice for that price. It comes in blue, red, black, and white. Blau, Rot, Schwarz und Weiß kommt. You got a little thingy here for the to threaden it. To threaten. You don't make shit. No. Sorry, pardon my French. Es kommt hier mit so einem Einfädler. This is for threading. This there. So, and it has its own needles. Also es kommt hier, wo man so ein kleiner Haken dran. It has a little hook. I don't know if you can see that. There. Yeah, $12.99. Aldi, no, not Aldi. Lidl, Ireland. I'm surprised. Yeah, first you need to. I'm too excited today. Now you need to calm down. You need to really read the instructions. And I thought what is this? I thought, maybe this thing goes in here. No, I'm actually a good sewer. Sewing for years, but I thought this would be nifty to have just, for sewing the paper, and it worked. Look at this. You just don't pull it, though. If you pull the thread, no, actually it didn't. Why? What? No, yeah, see, if you pull this one where you stopped, when you start, it's okay. It's like it anchored. But if you pull the thread, look, it's unthreading. Why you have neat little holes then? Right, that's me. I'm done. I'm gonna make my cake now. I'm having a yummy little cake for the afternoon with my son. The base needs to get out. Thank you for watching. Love you all. Ich muss jetzt los. Ich mache einen Schmandkuchen, weil ich habe doch heute Geburtstag und das wird was Leckeres mit Mandarinen und Schmand und so. Njam, njam. Und die Basis muss jetzt raus. Ja, ich wünsche euch noch einen guten Tag und gehabt euch wohl. Bleibt gesund. Have a good day. Stay healthy. Stay safe. See you. Bye bye. Love you.